Hey, it's Tanner. I just wanted to make this quick video here for you to quickly explain exactly what it is that I'm inviting you to. So basically, I'm starting a new 4-week challenge this month, and I'm looking for a handful of people to work closely with who want to build a digital dropshipping business with me. And what I'm looking to do is create as many success stories as possible before I do the full-blown launch of my program, Digital Dropshipping Mastery. So over the last 60 days, I've basically just been working with a small group of people, testing and building out the system and making sure that it's battle-proof. And the results have already been insane, which I'm going to show you here shortly. But I'm looking to work with just one more private challenge group over the next 28 days, starting next week. And here is some of what we're going to be working on. The first part is here that I'm going to be teaching you my complete digital dropshipping system. This is how you build an online income stream that pays you upwards of a 99% profit margin from selling simple digital products. When I first started dropshipping in 2017, it was always a struggle to make consistent profit because I was selling physical products from overseas. It was long shipping times, customers weren't happy, a lot of refunds, etc. Overall, even when I was lucky enough to make sales, I wouldn't really make profit. But then I ended up finding a way to remove that massive headache of the typical dropshipping model, and I've done well over 7 figures now with this, now just thanks to the system here inside of Digital Dropshipping Mastery. In a recent case study, Luke made over $25,000 after his first month, which you're going to see here in a minute. Tim and Julian, some awesome guys, made nearly $30,000 after their first month. And Ron is making $1,000 a day from home right now. And these are just 3 of the many people earning a full-time income from home with just unlocking this digital dropshipping system. And I still believe we're here in the early stages of this business model where not many people know about it, but once more people do, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to go ahead and get started getting results like these guys. But right now is literally the perfect time to get ahead before everyone else is here. So Luke is just right here. You could see we're $25,000. 99% of this is profit. That's freaking crazy. We're going to explain how here in a second. This is Tim and Julian. Tim on the left, Julian in the middle, and then me here on the right. We did end up meeting in person, which I'm going to explain why here in a couple minutes. And then Ron here, digital dropshipping, which is super, super awesome. So the next part here is I'm going to be taking you by the hand and guiding you through the system and how it works. So I've put together a full 28-day plan, and on or before day 30, you should expect to be making profitable sales from your very own digital dropshipping store. I've been doing this for 5 years now, so there's really no problem we can't solve together. And my team and I are going to be personally monitoring your progress every day, moving you towards your goal. And now the secret behind Digital Dropshipping Mastery in this system is our free traffic hack. You saw up here what Luke said, 99% of that is profit, which is insane and unheard of in most e-commerce businesses. But the reason why is because most people who try e-commerce will spend tons of money on paid ads before they even make a single sale. But all of these case studies right here I just showed you spent nothing on ads. This is the secret, free traffic hacks, because it allows you to get sales without having to run ads right off the bat or pay for softwares or buy mentorships. And what's great about this is you're not too young and you're not too old. Personally, I'm 21 years old. Tim is 20, Julian's 22, and after just 2 months of following the system, they actually moved from North Carolina, which is originally where I'm from, all the way across the country to Arizona. It's kind of a dream location. Luke, he's only 17 years old, and now he's traveling the world, which is insane. And he has made literally in 1 month almost more than what his teachers make in a year. But to be honest about Ron, I don't know his age. I never asked, and it's irrelevant. These guys don't have superpowers. They don't have special talents. I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm just saying that they saw an opportunity in front of them and decided to take action on it. And that's exactly how not only they have gotten to where they are, but how I've built my businesses and done the things that I have done in my career so far. And really, it doesn't matter where you live. That's the great part about this. Personally, I live on an island called Puerto Rico. It's a small little island, about 3 million people, and I just need my laptop and a Wi-Fi connection to do this. That's the great thing about digital dropshipping, is that you can make money not only by doing this from anywhere, but that you can sell your products to anywhere. You don't have to worry about some type of hefty shipping fee for your products, because our products, digital, are instantly delivered to your customers wherever they are in the world. Anybody that can access your website can buy your product. And another just kind of case study at this, Hoskin, he's from the Philippines. He made $140 on his third day inside of this private group, which we actually have his case study inside of our free Discord. Now, there are prizes here. Remember that picture above of Tim on the left, Julian, and then me right here? That's part of a prize. They did nearly $30,000 their first month, but the reason why we met up in person for in-person coaching is because they want a challenge. In my first 4-week digital dropshipping challenge group, I told everyone that I was going to personally fly out to and coach the first person to hit over $1,000 a day dropshipping digital products. I think some friendly competition is always a good time, some incentives, and just having fun. And another prize I like to do helps both of us, honestly. I've done this with the private groups so far, and it's helped everybody. And what that is just trading a few minutes with each other. So what I do is I send out a quick little survey that you can fill out that just helps me understand kind of where you're at and see, what I can focus on providing more value on that's going to help you get results quicker and, even more sales. And in return, I let you book a one-on-one Zoom call with either myself or my student success manager just to kind of monitor your progress and make sure you're getting every question you have answered. And right now, there are 3 huge bonuses, which are things that I sell altogether for over $4,000 for normally. But everyone who I invite and takes and reserves a seat for this next 4-week digital dropshipping challenge is going to get for free, including you right here, right now. So your first free bonus, I just want to go through them real quick, is 4 mastermind sessions. So these are live group calls that are recorded that are going to show you how to make as much profit as possible during the holiday season without having to be an expert or hire some giant marketing team. And your second free bonus is DDM 2.0. This is an updated version of our system that shows you some extra modules and some extra training on graphic design to build your digital products, automations to save you time, millionaire habits, and even some stuff on legal, taxes, and credit. Looks like I forgot to put the last letter here on the word legal, but yeah, we all make mistakes, I guess. But this 2.0 course here is just what my students are using to get ahead, just even at a much quicker pace. Just kind of a little extra something I want to give you here to help you get results. Because like I said, this is all just to get more case studies, more results. And I think this is going to be great for both of us, honestly. Now, the third free bonus here is a trophy. I'm not talking about one that you just hold and you put on your nightstand. I have it under my Porsche sweater here, Consistency Wins t-shirt. If you follow my social media, you've probably seen me wearing it. But these are only sent to the private members of our digital dropshipping challenge community. And what it does is represent what's possible with daily actions when you're following the right blueprint and the right system, which is winning, succeeding, hitting your goals. So that is a t-shirt that it's not about the money, it's about the mission and the message. And finally, I just added a 4th free bonus. It's an in-person interview reveal I did with one of my top students. You're going to see exactly how they got to $30,000 in the first month. So instantly, right after you reserve your seat, which we're going to get to that part in a second, you're going to be able to access this interview. So like I said, together, all these bonuses, they sell for over $4,000. But, for you, I'm giving this to you once you reserve your seat, since I'm inviting you here, because I want you to get the best results as possible here over the next several weeks together. And yeah, those bonuses all combined are worth more than the entire fee to start earning a full-time income with digital dropshipping mastery, which is what I'm inviting you to right now. And you probably have a few questions, so I just want to go ahead and cover those to make sure we're on the same page. So how will you get access to DDM? Honestly, I'm going to do most of the heavy lifting for you. I'm going to give you a private login to our members platform so you can log in there and get started at your own pace. I genuinely think if you can dedicate some time every day to this, you're going to be very happy with the results. And how does this actually work? So over the next 4 weeks, you're going to use Digital Dropshipping Mastery, which is our system, to build your own online business. But I only want to work with people who are going to report back on the results. So I'm doing this small private group now to get results and case studies. So it is really important that you report back your results so I can help you make sure you can scale and get even more results that you want. And the total cost for Digital Dropshipping Mastery is going to be $997 whenever I do the full-blown launch on January 1st, whenever I give this to the masses. But because I'm looking to create as many successful case studies before the official launch of Digital Dropshipping Mastery, all I ask, in return, because I'm about to give you something special here, is that you promise to give me your feedback, whether it's good or it's bad, so that we can help more people like you. So if you're okay with that and we're on the same page, kind of a pinky promise here. It's only $497 for you right now, or 2 payments of $250, only for the first 7 people who reserve their seat to this private invite for this next group. And if you're not getting the results you want, this is my promise. If you're not making sales every day after the first 30 days, I'm going to work with you for free for 30 more days after. So if that sounds good, just let me know, because right now I need to know if you're in, and if so, I'm going to get you all the details. This is kind of a first come, first served basis for the limited spots we have. So just reply to my message, say I'm in, and I'm going to take it from there. Now, by the way, here, before I hop back into my messages, anytime me or you, anyone invests time and money into learning a new skill, there's a risk, right? What if it doesn't work? What if it's not as good as I'm saying it actually is? So let's take a look at the best and worst case scenarios. The best case is over the next 28 days, you become a digital dropshipping master. You start earning a full-time income from home. You earn great money by just selling simple products from your laptop, your phone, and your work genuinely helps people. That's the best case. But what about the worst case? The worst case is maybe it doesn't work for you. I want to be transparent here with you. We've helped now nearly 400 people get this business up and running for themselves in the last 2 months alone, but there's always a few people that just aren't a fit, and that's okay. If that somehow happens to be you, no worries. If you just show me that you tried the system within your first 30 days by showing me your value stack, which is one of the first things we'll do inside, we'll refund you 100%. I'll buy back the program from you at full price, which honestly, it costs my team and I money in fees, time spent, etc. But I want to make sure that you can try this challenge without any risk. So if you'd like to work together on this, reserve your seat right now to this private invite only group. Message me back the words I'm in, and I'm going to go ahead and get you a login link so you can go ahead and get started right now. Peace.